everyone. My name is Badr Munir. I will tell you about the review of the book The Alchemist. Whoever you are or whatever it is that you do, when you really want something in life, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho is one of the best-selling books in history. The story of a young shepherd boy on his way to realize his personal legend has inspired a lot of people in the world. On his way, he meets a gypsy woman who told him where the treasure was buried. Later on, Santiago meets an old king who told him how the universe will help him when he will follow his dreams. The Alchemist has become a popular book for many reasons. It tells you how important your dreams are. This book tells us that we should listen to our heart and stay true to our goals. In this journey of our world, the people we meet are the people that will help us to achieve our goals. One of the valuable quotes that I have taken from this book is, there is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, the fear of failure. I will recommend all of you to read this book. Thank you very much.
This is much better than before, but keep it up. Good job.